आज डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर अपने सभी गणित, रसायन विज्ञान, भौतिक विज्ञान और जीव विज्ञान के डाउट्स का करो सफाया। बस प्रश्न की फोटो खींचो, एक ही प्रश्न को क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। अभी डाउनलोड करें।
Hello everyone. The question is, a famous relation in physics relates the moving mass m to the rest mass m naught of a particle in terms of its speed v and the speed of light c. This relation first arose as a consequence of the special theory of relativity due to Albert Einstein. A boy recalls the relation almost correctly but forgets where to put the constant c. He writes this formula, guess where to put the missing c. So, for this, we need dimensional formulas. First of all, moving mass m. So, mass m. What is the dimensional formula of mass m? It is m power 1. Now, second one is rest mass m naught. Now, second one is rest mass m naught. And what is the dimensional formula of this rest mass m naught? This is m power 1. Now, third one is speed. That is v. Now, what is the unit of speed? That is meter per second. So, the dimensional formula will be L, that is meter, L power 1. Now, per second, that is time. So, it will be T power minus 1. Now, fourth one is speed of light. That is c. Now, this is also speed. Speed is meter per second. So, its dimensional formula will be L power 1, T power minus. Now, the relation which is given in the question is m is equals to m naught divided by 1 minus v square to the power 1 by 2. Now, let's check if this formula is dimensionally correct or not. So, what is the dimensional formula of this mass? M power 1. And what is the dimensional formula of this m naught? That is m power 1. Now, here, what is the dimensional formula of this v? That is L power 1, T power minus 1, and this is whole square, and this is multiplied by 1 by 2. Now, as we can see that if this term, here we will get L power 0, T power 0, then only this formula will become dimensionally correct. Now, this formula is dimensionally wrong. So, as we can see that m power 1 is not equals to m power 1 divided by L power 1, T power minus 1. So, now, the question is where to put the missing c. So, we all know that the dimensional formula of c is L power 1, T power minus 1. If I will put c here, if I will divide c with this v, then this formula will become dimensionally correct. So, what we have to do? M is equals to m naught divided by 1 minus v square to the power half. Now, if I will divide this v by this c square, then this formula become dimensionally correct. Let's see. Now, what is the dimensional formula of m? This is m power 1. Now, what is the dimensional formula of m naught? This is m power 1. And now, what is the dimensional formula of v? That is l power 1 t power minus 1 whole square. Now, divided by, this is also l power 1 t power minus 1. And this will be whole square to the power 1 by 2. So now it will become m power 1 divided by l power 0 t power 0. This is m power 1. So here, as we can see, this is dimensionally correct. M power 1 is equals to m power 1. So, the correct formula is, m is equals to m naught divided by 1 minus v square divided by c square to the power 1 by 2. This is the answer. Thank you.
कक्षा 6 से 12वीं से लेकर नीट, IIT, JEE वो एडवांस के लेवल तक 1 करोड़ से ज्यादा छात्रों का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप करें अपने सारे डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।